Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a reminder for a task so that as the time approaches when you need to get started with that task, you'll be remembered to start that task. So how do you do that? Once you find the task in your ClickUp homepage here, just simply click the three dots towards the right hand side of the task. And here you'll find a remind me. Click on that, set the date when you want to be remembered. So let's say I want this to remind me tomorrow. I can click on that and it's going to set the date for me, right? So if you also want to set that to be a recurrent, if this is going to be a task that you'll be doing every single week or something like that, you can set the reoccurring time for that as well by clicking here and set it every week or every month or every year. It's really up to you, right? But that's all there is to it, guys. Go ahead and select the time here that you want. If you want to select the date only and you also want to add time, you can click on time here as well on the upper right hand side and just kind of set it. So let's say I want this to remind me tomorrow at 10 a.m. I can set that, and as you can see, it is now set. So that is going to remind me tomorrow at 10 a.m. as you can see right here. Once you're done, click off, and that's all there is to it. The reminder is set and you'll be remembered when you need to start this task.